Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Lightroom to prepare B-roll collections, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Import your video footage by clicking on the Import button in the Library module. Select the folder containing your B-roll clips. Check the boxes of the videos you wish to import. Choose the appropriate file handling options based on your storage needs. Click the Import button to bring your clips into Lightroom. Once your footage is imported, navigate to the Library module. Use the filter bar to create keywords for your B-roll collections. Consider tagging your clips with relevant keywords like location, subject, or event. To group your clips, create collections by clicking on the Collections panel. Right-click in the Collections area and select Create Collection. Name your collection something relevant, like B-roll clips, and click Create. Drag and drop your video. To add ratings or flags, select a clip and press the appropriate key on your keyboard. This can help you categorize your footage based on quality or usability. To view your clips more effectively, consider switching to the grid view. This allows you to see multiple clips simultaneously. Once you've organized your clips, consider making adjustments in the Develop module. Here, you can apply basic edits to enhance your video footage. Use the available tools to adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance as needed. Select the clips you want to edit, adjust one, and click Sync Settings. Keep your adjustments consistent for a cohesive look across your B-roll collection. When you're satisfied with your edits, export your B-roll clips. Go to the File menu and select Export. Choose the desired file format and resolution for your final clips. Set your export location and click Export to complete the process. Your B-roll collection is now organized and ready for use in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.